Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have the rain now. As you can see here, the rain. Cannot drive. Yeah, of course. It's full of rain. And here, as you can see, something happened. Something happened here. I don't know. It's a firework, I think. You know, it's like from 7 a.m. and now it's 5:21 p.m. Actually, it's like going to be 12 hours continuously rain. There's more rain. I'm gonna out. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Open it. What the heck is there going on? Oh, at last we entered here. It was very hard. I'm buying some things, whatever, but it was very, very hard. The rain was very, you know, my camera is not a waterproof camera, so that's why I don't know. Okay, see ya. This is what you gotta do. I'm gonna eat all the things. I'm not gonna eat it, but we are gonna buy other things. Start doing it. Okay, I'm sorry, my sound is not very good. But I got here a hot pepper. Here you got one very long hot pepper because I'm gonna do the hot pepper challenge. So you got here one rent and another rent, but it's very big, massive. You know, it's very big. Whatever. Here's also a green one, which is very chilly. Sometimes half green, half red, like this one, or like this one. Yeah, like this, half green, half red. So I'm gonna take some of this and some of this. And here also another big green. Actually, this one is small one, but this one is big. As you can see here, it's very cold. And while I'm talking here, I'm very sorry for that, but it is not essential. I like vlogging. It's the first time to vlog with you, and I like vlogging very much, but I like you also. Again, we have here, oh no, not the thing. Okay, I like the beers of Austin Barbican, you know that, I don't know, you know, not smoking too. Oh my god, can you just see this rain? How can this rain be? Oh my. Here also, as you can see here, there's more rain, more water. The road is full of water, and I don't know what can I say about the clouds, you know. There's a big fire in the city, so so they are going there because sometimes if it rains there, maybe sometimes something happens. More fire here, so all the fireworks are going there for checking the fire and just make it good. So actually, I'm very sad for this. All of this rain, we got like 12 hours continuously rain, and actually it's continuing rain. Actually, it's not stopping at all. Only 1 second not stopping. So actually, this is not perfect, not good. I think all the day will be full of rain. We finished like the 12 hours of the day. We finished half of the day. So remaining the 12 hours, I'm gonna see if there should be a rain or not. Okay. It doesn't work. It's not working, man. Yeah, let's go here. Again, there's a rain, and I'm just hearing the song. Good for ya, good for ya. Oh, oh. See the rain. How the rain should be. I'm 14 carats. Don't it up like my eyes. For ya, good for ya. So here I'm eating M&M's, and let's eat it. Do you want some? Take some. So here, I put the camera here to save me more better. What if I put here? No, not here. Here's more better. No. So actually, it's very bad, very good here, the camera. And as you can see, it's full of rain. I'm gonna show you. Yeah. Booyah! So here, you got the water. Let me show you how the water is. What the heck? Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't believe this. Oh my god! Did you just see the water? It's just like a sea or something. This is perfect. Oh my god! Hey, let me just put my leg here. It's very deep, really. You know, it's like 24 hours raining. What the heck is that? You know, you can see full water. Full water. Oh my god. See, my sister is playing right there, and she's enjoying. Oh my god. Okay, so it was very, very hard, you know, outside, as you can see. You can see what is outside here. It's very hard. It's, you know, the road is full of water. Also here, you got more water here. Really. I don't like this type of things, but I'm gonna, hey, where's my shoes? Okay, I'm gonna go there, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Thank you for watching this video. Please make like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And hope you enjoy this new vlog. And then it's the first vlog for me to do. And I'm gonna do other vlogs. But it's the first vlog. It's a vlog number 1. And I'm gonna sleep now. Good night, everyone.